What's up, it's the Warhammer. Today I'll be showing off my 3D printed Space Marine bodies. That's right, 3D printed. They're magnetized, and the head, the backpack, and the body, and the cloak there are all 3D printed. Some of the parts I attached aren't, but the rest are. Same with this body, and the backpack, and the symbol on the back. And also with this one. Pretty good quality. I'm making some discount bladeguard veterans before I get the real ones to practice magnetizing on. And it's turned out pretty good. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more updates on the 3D printed Warhammer.